I want it. Not sure ba with you. Okay. Hot guys, more hot. Curb cake. Busy in kitchen but still her. Ma'am Jia, thank you so much, Ma'am Jia. I'm already watching for Mom Jia. Okay, guys, and Mom Evangelist, don't forget, guys. Okay, and Alena's, don't forget her channel. It's just 10 minutes, guys. Okay, after 10 minutes, I will end now. After 10 minutes, it's sleeping time. Upcoming premiere. Mom Evangelist, I'm here now in your channel. I'm watching your ads. Please guide me live how do it. You not fit. We will not live stream. Yeah, click in the middle, have plus that one. Have sign plus, you click that one, okay? Yeah, have more mosquito. It's not showing face. Not showing your face? Why? Maybe your camera is back. You want not showing, you want screencast. Screencast? You want screencast? Yeah, if you don't want to showing your face, put flower. Your camera is put in the back. The camera is here up. Near the mute. If you want to mute, up that one. Yeah, the camera front and back. You put flower, not make black. Okay, just like this. See, you put flower in your live stream like this, like this, like this. Okay. Yeah, I know because you're not allowed to show you in the camera. Yeah. Muslima is not allowed to show in the camera, right? Yes. Yeah. Put like this, okay? Put flower or stop twist but beautiful flowers. You put flower in the camera. Yeah, and you stay in the chat. If someone to come, hi. Okay? Yeah, it's very easy.